Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Lavor Donec R 2015 LP pressure washer is a cold water model with 3-phase 400-volt power supply designed for continuous high-intensity use. It is used for cleaning agricultural machinery, industrial vehicles and surfaces with persistent dirt. It reaches a maximum pressure of 230 bars with a flow rate of 900 liters per hour. The system is equipped with a 7,000-watt water-cooled electric induction motor, operating at 1,450 revolutions per minute, which reduces vibrations and stress during prolonged use. The linear pump with 3 ceramic pistons and brass head allows operation at high pressure while limiting wear. The delayed total stop system stops the motor 15 seconds after releasing the gun, while stainless steel valves and a glycerin bath pressure gauge ensure stable pressure control. The trolley-mounted steel structure with metal cover is designed to facilitate movement even on uneven surfaces, thanks to non-marking wheels. Accessory holders and cable holder are included. Supplied accessories include a gun with M22 connection, high and low pressure lance, high pressure nozzle, and 8-meter high pressure hose. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.